58 degrees out right now, guys, and this car is loving every bit of it, man. Cleaned my air filter out, so she's running really strong right now, guys. Literally my favorite time of year. I love the fall. If you're from Connecticut or, you know, any northeastern states, you know what I'm talking about. Currently heading right now up to my mom's. I need to adjust my front coilovers. I'm gonna lower the front down a little bit more just to help with traction. All right, what is up, everyone? Really excited I got today off, and it's absolutely gorgeous right now, so happy to see all you guys. I feel like I haven't done a vlog in a long time, but today we are going to be lowering. I want to adjust my coils. Don't mind this wheel liner here. I want to lower my coils down at least like another 1/2 inch in the front here, just to help with traction and stuff. So we're gonna be doing that little project today for you guys. Nothing too crazy. Just getting everything jacked up here, guys. Wow, these things are a little rusty, I guess you could say. But honestly, these max speeding rods, for a little while, I didn't like them. Honestly, for a little while, these max speeding rods, they were too bouncy for me. I just wasn't really a fan of them. And then one day, I'm just like, well, why don't I try adjusting the dampening, because it has 24 way, right? So I literally went in here and I'm running full 24 clicks. So I'm all the way maxed out pretty much. I'm stiff, and honestly, they ride pretty good. They handle really nice, but I want to lower this thing down a little bit more. So that's the goal today, is to definitely get these things lower. I might as well run them until they absolutely crap out. So I got my wrenches here, guys. Hopefully these things come undone. I might have to take a rubber mallet to these. Look at that, came right off. Look at that, there's so much corrosion in that right now. You guys are wondering how to adjust these. I mean, I'm kind of a noob when it comes to coilovers, but what we're gonna do is essentially have a certain amount of threads showing on this side here. So for example, you can count the threads between the gap here, between the lock ring and the actual assembly itself. So I want to lower this thing probably a 1/2 inch. So I'm probably going to expose, like, just a guesstimate. We're going to do like probably 3 or 4 threads on this. Same thing on the opposing side, guys. Yeah, Carly's out here, might have a film crew. Everybody say what up. Also, you guys can see that the K24 is leaking oil. It's not bad, but it's still leaking. It seems like it's coming from the same spot as above before when I tried to fix it. So I'm not really too thrilled about that. Top of my axle is saturated on the axle boot. So it is what it is, guys. I've been kind of taking it easy on this thing, trying to at least. I don't really know where it's coming from. It's probably coming from the same thing as before. If I have to do the oil pressure switch again, which I don't really want to mess with, I'm gonna have to use Teflon tape on it, because I just used Honda Bond on it before. We're going to get this leveled out with the lock ring, and then we're gonna tighten. Once all these threads are not exposed, we'll just tighten our lock ring down, and then we can adjust the other side. So I'm not going for crazy low, like frame banging or messing up my oil pan. I'm just going for kind of performance. I like my car. Generally, I like my car a little bit lower in the front end, just for like traction purposes. All right, all the sand and crap. Look at that. It's pretty bad. Should I get this stuff? This is copper. What is it? Anti-seize? Yeah, anti-seize lubricant copper. This stuff's really good. So put a little bit of that. Tighten down this lock ring. Pretty tight. There we go. This should be good for next time. I mean, aside from the material rusting and I mean, these were free coilovers, guys. I honestly like them. Like, if you max them out on dampening, they're really not that bad at all. Just thought I'd throw that out there. The handling is great. The roads, when it's fully stiffed, when the dampening is maxed out, it's a little rough inside the cab. Like when you go over bumps, like the whole car pretty much like reflects that. But I also think that's because I have stiff mounts too. You guys seen I'm running the 75A innovative mounts, so that probably has another contributing factor to the ride quality. One more thing though, I don't know how long they're gonna last, but we're gonna run them until they completely blow out. All right, so another issue on this side that I've been having is that my look at the cold air intake, guys. I threw some duct tape on there to kind of like help with the rubbing. So my tires are rubbing against my cold air right now, so I might have to change out this intake just for like in terms of reliability. But another thing I did was I took that you guys could see my air filter in there. I took that hydro, that rain shield off, because I thought it was like bogging down my air filter, and the car seems to be running a little bit better without it. So I kind of regret running that cheesy hydro shield on there, but I was super sketched when I was going when I was doing the cold air route. So what I think I'm gonna do in the future, obviously, everybody wants to see boost. I don't really know if I'm going to do that in the future, guys. I think I might just do a nice little ram air setup up at the top here, do like a battery relocate to the bottom. But yeah, we'll see what's to come with that, guys. I'll just let these things settle down some more. So I hope you enjoyed that little vlog, and hopefully the max speeding rides last for a good amount of time. Be sure you guys give this video a like, drop your comments down below, and subscribe for more content. And I'll be filling all of you in on why I'm not doing any call-out challenges anymore. Stay tuned for the next few videos. I gotta break down some things for you guys, do some explaining to you guys. A lot of people are wondering what's going on for the future in terms of boost. Am I buying a Type R? And all this other stuff. So stay tuned for the next vlogs, guys, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. And remember, never stop wrenching.